Maswaja. We done? We go? Nakuwa goigoi. Oh, maswaja. Vizuri. Uko sawa? Thank you. Dear Kenyans, members of the press, first I want to express my greatest thanks to Almighty God for the far we have been. Thank you. For the last Kenyans, members of the press, since my legal first I want to express my greatest thanks to Almighty God for the far we have nearly 2 years of being condemned and hard has not been easy. Nearly 2 years since my had an opportunity before a 3-judge bench of the High Court, whose nearly 2 years of being condemned and hard have been not is now out. We have had an opportunity before a 3-judge bench of the High Court, Reverend Dorcas Rigathi, my sons Kevin and Keith, unfavorable decision. I thank you most sincerely for standing with me all through. But the fight is still on. To the millions of Kenyans who have stood with me in solidarity, I say thank you. My sons Kevin and Keith, greatly indebted to you. I thank you most sincerely for standing with me by senior counsel. To the millions of Kenyans who have stood with me in solidarity, sincerely thank you for your great representation. And I'm greatly indebted to your strategy, professionalism, to my legal team led by senior counsel, the difference. Honorable Paul Moite, the several independent counsels, sincerely thank you for litigated various petitions. Your strategy on behalf of Kenyans, and incredibly grateful to have had you on my side and independent counsels who litigated the millions of Kenyans who believed in me on behalf of Kenyans. Every step I'm incredibly grateful. I cannot thank you enough. I have had you on my side and the side of Kenyans. You allowed the millions of Kenyans who believed in me, stood with me every step of the way. I cannot thank you enough. Before, during, and after the impeachment, you have been with me every step of the way. To my core principles, to my core principles of the National Government, you have been before, during, and after the impeachment. To the senators, you have been with me from across board who stood with me. To my core principles of the United Alternative Government, intimidated, you have been refused to succumb to bribery. To the senators and MPs, the journey from across board who stood with me. To the innocent civil servants, including gardeners, intimidated, cleaners, but refused to succumb to bribery, messengers, may God bless you, who suffered the brutal of his regime. You are harassed, to the innocent civil servants and embarrassed gardeners, justice, cleaners, tea girls. This ruling was about you, who suffered the brutal of his regime. Pains you. You are harassed, thank you very much for standing with me and my family all along. Justice will be God bless you and your families. This ruling was about you. We stand here today with tremendous respect to the judiciary. Thank you very much for standing with me. While we respect the ruling of the High Court, we totally God bless you and mentally disagree sincerely of the interpretation of the law. We stand here today with tremendous respect to the judiciary of our country. The long-standing respect the ruling of the High Court, natural justice and fundamentally to a fair hearing has been the interpretation of the law ignored in broad daylight. Of what a sad day for those who long-standing legal principles of natural justice who face the same and the right to a fair hearing has been. We shall proceed further and ignored in broad daylight on the decision. What a sad day for those who have undergone this in the framers of the Constitution provided for an appellate, and we shall proceed further and appeal and believe we shall fight on the decision to get justice one day and hope that justice shall prevail. Dear great people of Kenya, framers of the Constitution provided just like the millions of you Supreme Court. I'm shocked by the 350-page decision of the 3-judge bench of the High Court of Kenya, pronouncing just like the millions of holding that my right to fair hearing. I'm shocked by the 350-page decision was by the 3-judge bench of the High Court of Kenya, purporting, pronouncing itself and holding that my right to fair hearing and Article 50 of the Constitution was violated. And then it ironically purporting lost on all of us how the actions and decisions of Parliament, categorically determined by the 3-judge bench as unconstitutional. It is and lost on all of us fair process. The actions and decisions of Parliament by the same bench, categorically determined. Those contradictions are an abuse to the intelligence for the people of Kenya, and who are following the process and the judgment can then be deemed valid by the same bench. The fundamental right to fair hearing. Those contradictions are an abuse to the intelligence for the people of Kenya, determined to following the process and the judgment. Many set of constitutional provisions, the fundamental right to fair hearing every Kenyan facing under Article 50 of the Constitution. Article 25 of the Constitution have been violated is among rights that set of constitutional provisions protective of every Kenyan facing any accusation. At the core is a provision to Constitution provide the right to fair hearing bound by Article 50 and irrevocable process. They cannot be limited and demands fair process. Requiring is a provision to fair trial. We strongly the right to fair hearing bound process was found in regard to the process by the three-judge bench for 7 demands my right to fair hearing, requiring the violation of Article 25. We strongly observed that the impeachment process was found once that determination by the three-judge bench for failure to respect my right to fair hearing and was in the violation of Article 25. There was no impeachment. 47 and 50. Yes, was a constitutional coup. Once that determination was made, the entire three-judge bench was obligated by operation of the law. There was no determination or violation of the constitutional coup to set aside an abuse to the people of independent Kenya. The decision by the three-judge bench was obligated by operation of the law the impeachment on determination in the face of violation of the constitution to set aside the impeachment is in itself a decision by the bench and derogation to then responsibility to uphold the impeachment. 165. In the face of its decisions made in violation of the constitution is in itself a violation and derogation of its responsibility under Article 165. Decisions made in violation of the constitutions are null and void.